Hi, I'm Tammy of A Peach Life, and today I'm going to do a little opening of the new Little Travelers Company Mini. It's a limited edition. It's for the little 10th anniversary, and so I thought it'd be fun to hold off when it came in the mail yesterday to go ahead and open it with you guys. I have a little Italian instrumental going in the background. It's called Instrumental Italian Favorites. So usually we have a little Disney instrumental, and I thought this would just be perfect for today. Also one of my favorite outside of Disney to listen to. All right, well, let's get started. They really have it packaged quite cute. I don't know if there's anything really particular that I'm gonna do with, isn't that adorable? Let me show you. With the little mini, I just thought it'd be really cute to have, to add to my little items or attach maybe to a little tote or organizer. See how cute they have that? And of course, I'll save that for my art journal. Let's see, it's so cute. This is the brown. And so they have different color tins. There's a blue and a green. And this is from Baumkuchen in California. And they only had the option of the orange. So it comes with the brown little traveler's notebook. It's even stamped on there. 10th Little Traveler's Anniversary. Very cute. And then it opens and it's got the little page. So you can see that. So cute. Let's open this. This is probably the little booklets. Yeah, that is so cute. Look how cute that is. I don't know if I have the music up enough for you to hear. I'll turn it up a pinch and still be able to talk over that. So they put in here, oh, very cute. These are like I guess the little, the front cover pages. Look how cute that is. So you can make your different little inserts. That's just so adorable. And it comes with lined, grid, solid, lined white, and then the other was lined cream prior. Oh, white grid, a light craft paper, a dark craft paper. Oh, so you can make lots of little inserts. That is just so cute. That's probably my favorite part of it. So see, it comes with lots of little covers to make those inserts. Let's do one real quick and then open up the rest to see what's inside. Okay, I'll put those aside right there. And let's do this little real quick lined. The song that's on right now is That's Amore. It's like always a little favorite. Okay. Look how cute that is. That's so cute. Adorable. Where's my little, set that aside for a second. Use my bone folder to just crease that better. Perfect. A bone folder just really makes everything so much nicer. Mine's just from Amazon. I think they're like $7, sometimes $5. Okay, let's see. Let's add this in. I really do need to find that nice little volume level from when I'm just art journaling and not talking, and when I'm talking in a little background. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, let's get this. Bring that forward. Is that just adorable? Look at, we could put another spot. That is just so cute. I like those. I think I'm going to trim those a tiny bit. Okay. Very cute. So adorable. I'll just open that one more time and show you. Well, now I can't wait to do some little cuteness in the little inserts and finish making the rest of the inserts. Okay. That's adorable. All right. So there's that. Let's see what else is inside. Looks like a little charm. And it has the little initials on it. I guess it's a little charm possibly for my little planner, I guess. Or you could use it on something else. Do that so I can get it out of here. Oh yeah, that's adorable. It's for the little traveler's notebook there. Isn't that so cute? So unbelievably cute. Okay, move those all aside. Like that. And the little cover is just so adorable too. So we'll take that packaging out and see what's in here. Looks like some stickers. Very cute. Showing the little traveler's notebook. That one's really nice. And then a guide. And I don't know, I could be wrong, but I thought this was like a remake of an older one, or possibly just some older anniversary ones they were able to get. So I'm not sure. Let's see, 10th anniversary guide. The history of traveler's notebooks since 2006. Oh yeah, so it would be, since we're in 2022. Let's see if this sheds some light. And if you know, I would love, please share with me in the comments. Oh, very cute. Here's their different pens. I love all the Pan Am stuff. I know everyone kind of collects all these other things, but I really love the little travel and Pan Am. And I know if you can even find it, it is really some really nutsy pricing. So I might have to try and create some of my own little stickers. I collect the Pan Am bags, like little travel bags, the little remake ones. Oh, this is just really cute. It has all kinds of good little information here in it. I love the pins it shares. So this goes up till 2016. Oh yeah, and see, here is mine, the orange for 2016, which is the limited mini size. I know the blue has like the caramel color leather. I really would love that one. Okay, here's a little look at the items through the years. I guess I should have started over here. It was launched in 2006. Very cute. I know a lot of people collect many of the different past ones. I have some items, but I always feel like they're so special. Very cute. And I do use them. I use them more so in my little traveler's notebook. I'll show you that real quick. I have a little one and it says my adventure book, and that's the little thing from Up, the Disney Pixar Up, and it has things, and so this is pocket size, so I tend to use a lot of my Travelers Company items and stickers and things and stuff like that from places that I go and visit. So this is my little guy, and then I can add or take away from this. And I have a little Kaweco fountain pen in Bordeaux color. It's just like perfect size. I know they have pocket size, Travelers Company does. I'm sorry, not pocket, passport size. Passport and standard it comes in. And for me, I feel like passport is just too small and pocket is the ultimate little size. So I use pocket instead. And then I do use the Travelers Company in standard for all sorts of little goodness. Maybe if I have a moment, I can share that with you. Okay, well that's the insert. So I still don't know if this is a remake of an older one or if they had some older ones and launched them. Who knows? There's a little assembly guide. It even shows you could staple your paper. You could staple it or stitch it or just leave it as so. Very cute. Then they show you like to do a little clean line at the end of the insert. You can trim it. Very cute. Let's see, do I have it right here? I don't think I have mine. I think mine is in, yes, mine. So I use a lot of the Travelers Company inserts, standard, also in my garden journal. This is a standard little journal I have. And I have this one from Baum Kuchen in here where they're together with, let's see if it shows in the back. Yeah, with Travelers Company. And this is a special one they created called The Journey is the Destination. And then this is a little insert I made. Oh, this is a really good Tomoe River paper one from Jet Pens. Oh, it's super lovely. And then this one is a Travelers Company watercolor. So this is my new one I just added. So, and this little sticker is from Baum Kuchen also. So I love to use a lot of their inserts and stickers and things like that. So, well, I hope you enjoyed a little look at the little 10th anniversary Traveler's Notebook, what's in the little tin, and just the tin itself is just so special. And I love to collect tins. Certain little tins, I'll have to share my little tin collection of some of my favorites. Okay, well, there we go. There's that. All the little inserts, which are adorable. The cloth cover. And thank you for joining me. If you know more information on this, which I will definitely look into, but I'd love to hear what your comments are on it. And as always, you can follow me on A Peach Life on Instagram. I'm also I'm stopping my A Peach Life group, so you can find me on just my personal Facebook page. You can follow or add me as a friend. It's Tammy Inman, Peach Life. So thank you guys so much.